Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode is titled Taming AI's Tongue, Breakthroughs in Language Models, synthesizing 22 papers from August 17, 2025. Presented by AI Frontiers, this explores innovations in computational linguistics. This presentation overviews AI language innovations. Imagine AI that understands culture and avoids nonsense. Today's papers make it real. 22 studies on reasoning, biases, and efficiency in language models are unpacked. The journey covers field basics to themes, findings, methods, spotlight papers, and future paths. Insights that rethink AI chats are provided, sparking curiosity for all levels. A narrative blending tech with human stories ensures an engaging ride. Computational linguistics is examined in this field overview. It represents an interdisciplinary blend of computer science, linguistics, and AI for machine language processing. Algorithms are focused on for understanding, generating, and interacting with human language naturally. Chatbots, translators, and sentiment tools are powered by this field, essential for reliable, ethical AI. Challenges like hallucinations, biases, and efficiency in global contexts are addressed. The field evolves to include multimodal data and cultural adaptations for broader impacts. Research Theme 1 focuses on enhancing reasoning and reducing errors, a key theme in tackling AI flaws. Hallucinations, confident but wrong outputs in large language models are addressed. Papers like Li et al. Use causal graphs to improve logical consistency. Reinforcement learning is applied for step-by-step reasoning in domains like law. Causal reasoning involves mapping cause-effect links to boost accuracy. Trustworthy AI in high-stakes areas is aimed for, reducing errors significantly. Research Theme 2 centers on benchmarks and datasets for evaluation, building tools for inclusive measurement. Evaluations are created for underrepresented languages and temporal knowledge. Examples include multilingual QA for Indonesian and self-execution benchmarks. Gaps in low-resource areas like Southeast Asian embeddings are highlighted. Progress in cultural and self-aware AI performance tracking is supported. These are essential for measuring advancements in diverse, real-world scenarios. Benchmarks reveal model weaknesses in predicting own behaviors. Continuing Research Theme 2, transitioning to Theme 3, cultural and domain-specific adaptations. Biases in Western versus Eastern training data, like individualism, are analyzed. Fenech, Borg et al. Quantify cultural genes in models. AI is tailored for medicine, law, and global communication needs. Research Theme 3 addresses cultural and domain-specific adaptations, combating biases for inclusive AI. Cultural leans such as collectivism in Eastern models are addressed. Domain adaptations include temporal graphs for medical knowledge. Retrieval augmented generation pulls external data to ground responses. Biases are reduced and relevance enhanced in fields like healthcare. Diverse data is pushed for to prevent cultural dominance in AI. Key findings provide critical insights across papers. Causal frameworks like Li et al. Achieve 95.33% accuracy, surpassing humans and cutting hallucinations. Smaller models outperform larger ones in efficiency, flipping size assumptions. Cultural studies by Fenech, Borg et al. Expose individualistic biases in Western models. Hybrid pipelines extract symptoms quickly, aiding healthcare diagnostics. LLMs struggle with self-prediction, highlighting self-awareness gaps. Methodologies are synthesized, highlighting common approaches. Fine-tuning with LoRa adds efficient matrices to adapt models without full retraining. Retrieval augmented generation grounds outputs with external knowledge to reduce errors. Agent-based frameworks enable autonomous, multi-step task handling. Sparse autoencoders probe hidden model representations for interpretability. These blend efficiency and insight, but risk overfitting or computational demands. Selected Research Paper 1 is Mitigating Hallucinations in Large Language Models via Causal Reasoning by Li et al. It is selected for breakthrough in error reduction and practical impact on trustworthiness. The objective is to infuse causal reasoning to curb false outputs in LLMs. The method involves supervised fine-tuning with causal graphs and a dataset of 25,000 samples. Findings show 95.33% accuracy, 10% fewer hallucinations, outperforming humans. Significance lies in being a game-changer for reliable AI in medicine and law. Selected Research Paper 2 is The Cultural Gene of Large Language Models, a study on the impact of cross-corpus trading on model values and biases, by Fennick-Bord et al. It is chosen for novelty in quantifying cultural biases and promoting inclusive AI. The objective is to examine how training data shapes model values like individualism. The method uses a cultural probe dataset with prompts tested on Western and Eastern models. Findings reveal significant differences aligning with real cultural metrics. Significance warns against biases, inspiring diverse trading for global equity. Selected Research Paper 3 is Legal Delta: Enhancing Legal Reasoning in Large Language Models via Reinforcement Learning with Chain of Thought-Guided Information Gain, by Dai et al. It is picked for representativeness in domain-specific reasoning and interpretability advances. The objective is to improve step-by-step legal reasoning for transparent AI. The method employs reinforcement learning to maximize information gain in responses. Findings include 10 to 15% accuracy, boost, robust chains rated highly by humans. Significance enables ethical, justifiable AI in law and beyond. Future directions outline next steps for research. Hybrid methods integrating causal and multimodal data for richer understanding are expected. Diverse datasets are expanded to combat biases in underrepresented languages. Efficiency for edge devices is advanced via optimized attention mechanisms. Challenges like compute costs and self-awareness deficits are addressed. Neuroscience-inspired models for true metacognition in AI are explored. AI synthesis and review explain how this presentation was created. It was synthesized using AI tools. GPT-Grok with model GROK-4-0709 for content generation. TTS synthesis was handled via DeepGram for audio narration. Image generation used Google for visual elements. Review by a human expert ensured accuracy. While reviewed, potential oversights may exist. All references are provided for verification. Subscribe to the AI Frontiers YouTube channel for more cutting-edge AI research insights. The channel title is AI Frontiers. Its description invites diving deep into artificial intelligence research with engaging narratives and breakdowns. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Share thoughts with #AI Frontiers. Let's keep the conversation going. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprintserver.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprintserver.org.